Have you ever pondered the question, how do I install a PHP script on my website? Well, today is your day to find out. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a newbie dipping your toes into the world of coding, this process is essential for you to understand. The first step in this process is to download the script. You can do this by getting it directly from the developer or from a reliable repository. This is the foundation of your entire operation. The script is your blueprint, your master plan. Once you've got the script in your possession, it's time to upload those files. This is where FTP or File Transfer Protocol and SFTP Secure File Transfer Protocol come into play. These are the methods you'll use to transfer your script files to your web server or hosting platform. But wait, there's more. Most PHP scripts require a database to store data. So the next step involves creating a database and username with the necessary permissions. It's like building a house. The database is the structure and the username is the key to the front door. Now that you have your house and your key, it's time to configure the script. This involves editing the script's configuration file, often named config.php, with your database credentials, site URL, and other settings. It's the equivalent of setting up the interior of your house to your liking. Next, you'll need to run the installation script. This is usually a file named something like install.php. Run it in your web browser to finalize the installation process. It's like turning on the power to your newly built house. After your script is installed, it's time to set the file permissions. This ensures the script has the necessary permissions to write files and folders. It's akin to setting up the security system in your house. Finally, the last step is to test the site. Visit your website to make sure the script is working correctly. It's the equivalent of a home inspection before you move in. There are several popular tools that can assist with the installation process. Softaculous and Fantastico are auto-installers that can streamline the process. PHP Admin is a tool for database management that can be of great help. Remember, it's crucial to follow any specific instructions provided with the script, as the installation processes can vary. If any issues arise, don't hesitate to consult the script's documentation or seek support from the developer or hosting provider. In summary, installing a PHP script involves downloading and uploading the script, creating and configuring a database, running the installation script, setting file permissions, and testing the site. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to successfully installing a PHP script on your website, so why wait? Start today and unlock the potential of PHP scripts.